Insiders are buying. When executives and board members put their own money into their company's stock, that is a signal worth watching. They have information the public does not. And they are betting on their own. I am breaking down 3 undervalued small-cap stocks with significant insider buying activity. Welcome to Wall Street Lens. These are not recommendations, but they are worth analyzing. Let us dive in. Before we look at specific stocks, let us understand why insider buying matters. Insiders can sell for many reasons: taxes, diversification, personal expenses. But they only buy for one reason: they think the stock is going up. When insiders put their own money, it tells you something about their confidence, especially in small-cap stocks, where information asymmetry is highest. The first stock is American Bitcoin. Ticker ABTC. This is a digital currency cap around $1.75 billion. The valuation metrics look ratio of 9.9. That is relatively low for a growth company. They were recently added to the S&P Software and Services Select Industry Index. That is a recognition of their legitimacy. Let us look at the growth numbers. Q3 2025 sales hit $64.22 million. A year ago, it was only $11.61 million. That is a massive jump. Over 400% revenue growth year over year. Gross profit margin peaked at 54.94%. Those are strong operating metrics. The business is scaling. Now the risks. Earnings are projected to an average of 45.8% annually over the next 3 years. That is concerning. They also rely on high-risk external borrowing for funding. Debt-financed growth is risky. If Bitcoin prices crash, or if interest rates stay high, that debt becomes a problem. But here is the key signal. Insider confidence is evident through share purchases. Made throughout 2025, multiple insiders buying throughout the year. Not just one purchase, ongoing accumulation. That suggests management believes in long-term value. Despite the near-term challenges, the stock trades at a discount to fair value, according to Simply Wall Street Analysis. The second stock is OneSpan. This is a cybersecurity company, focused on digital agreements and security cap around 750 million ratio of 8.4. That is cheap for a tech company, especially one in the cybersecurity space. Value rating of 5 stars out of 6. The business fundamentals are strong. Gross profit margin has trended upward, reaching 74.26% by mid-2025. That is exceptional margin. Revenue comes primarily from 2 solutions, which is the larger portion, and digital agreements. Both are growing markets. Recent developments are interesting. They lowered revenue guidance for 2025 to $239 to $241 million. That is not great news, but they are making strategic moves. They partnered with bolster fraud prevention capabilities. They appointed a new chief revenue officer. Sean enhanced global revenue streams. The cybersecurity angle is compelling. They are focused on cloud-based security authentication in Japan. Fraud prevention threats are evolving constantly. Regulatory demands are increasing. OneSpan is positioning itself for that growth. And insider buying between July and September 2025 shows management confidence in the direction. The third stock is Infinity Natural Resources. This is an oil and gas cap around $1.25 billion. They focus on acquisition, exploration, development, and production of crude oil and natural gas. This is old economy energy, not tech, not crypto. Traditional resources. The numbers here, our ratio is negative 92.8. That means they are currently unprofitable, but earnings are expected to 68% annually. That is significant projected growth. Gross profit margin has ranged from 68 to 83%. When they are producing, the margins are excellent. Recent financial moves are aggressive. expanded their credit facility to $875 million. That is a big credit line. They initiated a $75 million share repurchase program. Buyback Signal Management thinks the stock is undervalued. They are using company cash to buy back shares. Q3 2025 revenue increased to $79.73 million, from $69.24 million the prior year. The risks our income fell significantly due to higher expenses and strategic investments. They rely solely on external borrowing for funding. That is high risk in a volatile commodity market. Oil and gas prices swing wildly. If prices crash, debt becomes very dangerous. This is not for conservative investors. Here is my framework for evaluating these three. American Bitcoin. High growth, high risk. Insider buying is a positive signal, but earnings decline projections are for those bullish on Bitcoin. OneSpan quality. Business with strong margins. Cybersecurity is a secular growth trend. Lowered guidance is a near-term negative. But strategic moves and insider buying are positives. Infinity Natural Resources. High-risk commodity play. Great margins when things go well, but volatile and debt-dependent. Earnings growth projections are attractive, but energy is cyclical. This requires macro conviction on oil and gas prices. What do these three have in common? Insider buying. That is the theme. People with the most information are putting their own money at risk. It does not guarantee success. Insiders can be wrong, but it is a data point worth considering when evaluating small-cap opportunities. 3 undervalued small caps with insider buying activity. American Bitcoin in digital currency. OneSpan in cybersecurity. Infinity Natural Resources in oil and gas. All three have insiders putting money where their mouth is. All three have risks to your own research. This is not financial advice. But these are stocks worth watching. Which one interests you most? Drop your thoughts below. Subscribe for more stock analysis. Wall Street Lens. See the market clearly. See you in the next one.